Hi everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we are doing a quick review on LOOKA. You see, LOOKA, formerly called Logo Joy, is an AI powered online platform primarily used for creating logos and developing a basic brand identity. It is easier, yes, it's designed for entrepreneurs and small businesses who need a professional look quickly and without extensive design experience or a large budget for a traditional graphic designer. So the pros are ease of use, that's why you can make a logo in minutes. Speed and affordability, like we said, in minutes, you can get it in minutes. It's affordable. Brand kit option, so it brings your brand to life. Unlimited edits with subscription. Some plans allow for unlimited revisions to your logo after purchase. Now when it comes to the cons, it has limited customization because even though you can make tweaks, the design flexibility is not as extensive as professional design software. You cannot freely drag and drop elements anywhere. Then, because this is AI driven and based on templates and symbols, some of the initial design suggestions might appear somewhat generic. Achieving a truly unique logo might require more refinement in the editor. When it comes to the pricing model, you see, while you can generate logos for free, you need to pay to download high resolution files or access the full brand kit features. You need to pay. The logo, so the pricing structure, particularly for subscriptions, might be more than some of us anticipate after trying the free generational tool. Some users have also reported issues or confusion regarding billing and refunds because I can't even find the billing here at all. I'm checking and I don't see anywhere where you can find the billing easily. So when it comes to customer support, some users reviews mention less than ideal customer support experience. They have the chats, the AI chat, but how do you contact them? And when you do, how do they respond? So you can contact by clicking on help. You can see search for help, popular questions package. These are popular questions you can ask them. So in essence, LOOKA is a solid tool for quickly generating professional looking logo ideas and basic branding assets, particularly if you are on a tight schedule or a tight budget. However, if you require a highly unique, complex, or deeply customized logo with complete creative control or extensive brand building tools, you might find its capabilities limited compared to hiring a designer or using a more advanced design software. So, like we said, if you're looking for simple and fast, quickly go to looka.com to get your logo.